A very textured headband. Let us start making it. I made 14 chains. Then I'm going to skip the 5 chains, 1 2 3 4. On the 5th chain I'm going to make 2 double crochets. The skipped chains are considered as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Okay, then skip 1 chain, then make 2 double crochets in the next one, then skip 1 more, make 2 double crochets in the next chain, then skip 1, then skip 1 and make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn. Skip the first double crochet, then on the second one we are going to make front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochets. Yarn over hook, bring up the insert the hook from the front to the back, and again go around that double crochet, bring it to the front, then yarn over hook, go through the back and bring up a loop and go through 2 loops on the hook and go through again 2 loops on the hook, and do one more time. Now repeat that one in the next one. Front post double crochets. And in the last that turning chain 3 we make 1 more double crochet, then again chain 3, turn, skip the first one, then the second stitch we make another front post double crochet. Then again skip the next one and make another front post double crochet. Then skip the next one, make another front post double crochet. From this row onwards we are making only the front post double crochets in 2 double crochet places. Then in the last one we make the turning chain 3, we make a 1 double crochet, the regular double crochet. Then again turn 1 2 3 chains, turn. We are doing only the skip the first double crochet, then make a front post double crochet in the second one. Again skip next stitch and go make a front post double crochet. This is creating very boho texture. Comes like this. Go ahead and make a few more rows, and I will show you how it looks after about 10 rows. The texture looks like this. Now it looks like there is an edging on it, and when up to this one, I made it up to 19 inches long, so it will fit a 21-inch head. Now I can cut the yarn and just stitch it together. This is reversible, so we can stitch it in any two sides together. I'm just using my yarn needle, going back and forth, connecting the beginning and ending stitches together. So this looks nice.